I get this question, John. Why is it that you got my case dismissed and my friend got this charge and they got this punishment? Why is it that this person gets their shoplifting dismissed and this other person goes to jail? There are a lot of answers to that question, but I know that it is crazy to sit in court and see all these different outcomes for the exact same crime, right? But the fact is, what you're not seeing is that, first of all, we attorneys are different, okay? Some attorneys have more experience than others. I used to own a recording studio. I sold it many years ago, but I've been recording music since I was in high school. And I can tell you, when I did own my studio here in Orlando, I had several of them. Some people would spend a lot of money to get a really decent track from back in the day. It was Dre, had great tracks and they were not cheap, but you could hear the difference on a track produced by Dre versus a track produced by some other producers that were less expensive. Now, what I will also say is spending a lot of money on a track and a hook does not guarantee you a hit, and spending a lot of money on an attorney does not guarantee you a hit. However, you are far more likely to have an excellent outcome if you start out with quality. So if you have an experienced attorney, etc., 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 you know what I'm gonna say. It's a little self-serving, but it's also true. You are going to have a much better outcome than this other person that you're comparing yourself with. So I do wish you luck on your case. I do hope that you get the quality that your case deserves and that somebody puts in the work that is deserved so that you can get the outcome that you deserve. Good luck on that.